In this video, we'll review how to install a honeycomb shade ordered with the Cordless Lift and Lock feature. The Cordless Lift and Lock bracket is silver in color and only works with a cordless lift and lock shade. For each shade, you'll have at least 2 brackets. Follow these steps for outside mount bracket placement. Bracket placement is critical. The brackets must be installed level, and you need at least 3/4 of an inch of flat surface space to mount the bracket. Place a bracket 2½ inches in from each side and the remaining brackets, if any, evenly along the width of the window. Mount the brackets using the holes at the back of the bracket. The minimum depth required for an inside mount is 1 inch. For a flush mount, the back of the bracket will be mounted 2½ inches from the front of the window opening. Position the bracket in the window opening and mount the bracket using the holes in the top of the bracket. Hold the shade up to the brackets and insert the front clip of the bracket into the front groove of the rail. Make sure the shade is centered in the window opening and push the back rail up into the back of the clips until you hear it click. When properly installed, there is approximately a 3/8 inch gap between the back of the headrail and the bracket. This is normal installation for the Cordless Lift and Lock honeycomb shade. To operate the shade, push and hold the button on the bottom rail handle. Raise or lower the shade to the desired position. Release the button to lock the shade in place. To remove the shade from the brackets, first raise the shade completely up. Then push the front of the headrail back into the brackets. The spring in the bracket allows the backward motion of the headrail. Once pushed back, pull down on the back side of the headrail to release it from the groove in the bracket. For further assistance, please contact customer service.